Once in a quiet village, there lived a curious boy named Arjun. He always asked questions about everything around him. One day, Arjun met an old sage who told him, "Curiosity is the first step to wisdom. Embrace it, and your mind will grow." Arjun spent the day exploring, asking questions, and learning new things. He realized that his curiosity was unlocking new doors of knowledge. The next day, the sage gave Arjun a set of puzzles and a chessboard. "Just as your body needs exercise, so does your brain," he said. Arjun spent the entire day solving puzzles, playing chess, and challenging his mind. By evening, he felt a new sharpness in his thoughts and a sense of achievement from mastering new skills. On the third day, the sage handed Arjun a stack of books. "Reading is food for the brain," he said. Arjun read stories from different cultures, biographies of great leaders, and books on science and art. Each book introduced him to new ideas and perspectives, broadening his understanding of the world. The fourth day was dedicated to learning a new skill. The sage gave Arjun a flute and taught him how to play. "Learning new skills keeps your brain active and engaged," he said. Arjun practiced diligently, and though he struggled initially, by the end of the day, he could play a simple tune. He felt a sense of pride and realized that learning something new boosted his confidence and cognitive abilities. On the fifth day, the sage introduced Arjun to meditation. "A calm mind is a powerful mind," he explained. Arjun found a quiet spot by the river and meditated, focusing on his breath and clearing his mind of distractions. By the end of the session, he felt a profound sense of peace and clarity, and his mind seemed sharper and more focused. The sage emphasized the importance of physical exercise on the sixth day. "A healthy body supports a healthy mind," he said. Arjun spent the day running, practicing yoga, and engaging in physical activities. The exercise invigorated him, and he noticed that his mind was more alert and responsive. On the final day, the sage encouraged Arjun to reflect on his journey. "Reflection helps consolidate your learning," he said. Arjun wrote down everything he had learned over the week in a journal. He also made plans for how he would continue to grow and challenge his mind. The act of reflection helped him see his progress and reinforced his commitment to continuous learning.